Hey, this is Devin here with Country Tracks Land Brokers, and right now we're on a Burrville property that we have planted on this awesome little spring-fed creek. We're in this great little hardwood bottom, be a great place to hunt. Come check us out. Hey guys, today we're here in Morgan County. Some of the advantages of living in this area are the Big South Fork. It has hunting, hiking, all kinds of stuff. Brimstone Recreation Area is very close, but if you want your own little piece to hunt on, we're on a great piece here. We're only an hour from Knoxville, so all your shopping, whatever you need, is a short drive away. It's kind of got a little bit of everything you need out here in the country.